For winter plans,
Two girls that dance.
we've got the scoop. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
What's new, Centurions? It's your Inside Scoop Dynamic Doom with Jason.
And his partner Beatrice here to bring you a taste of today's scoop on December 6th, 2019. So you know what that means?
It's finally Friday.
It's Friday. Gotta get
Stop.
down on
Stop. What are you doing?
I'm just excited that block schedule is over and the winter break is coming up.
Girl, it's not until 2 weeks from now. But now that you brought up the winter break, do you have any plans?
Oh yeah, lots of plans. One includes going to watch Frozen 2 again, and
Wait.
It was
Again?
Me. It was me. I'm sorry. It was me.
You already watched it?
of course, I watched it during the winter break. I also get to,
Shh. No spoilers. There's some people out there that haven't watched it.
my bad. But dude, the animations are gorgeous. I hope that I get to be part of the animation team for Frozen 3.
Animation team? You're going to major in animation? And you already applied to privates.
Oh my, no, I haven't. I have to go.
Wait. Slow down. We're still on air.
Oh, right. Sorry. Private application season has got me stressed, along with the thought of finals approaching.
Don't worry, you got this. You know what other season's coming up and can bring the good cheer?
The most wonderful time of the year. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. And here I brought Santa.
Why?
He could give out holiday candy.
I don't think so. So, ASB is already doing that. In case you don't ever pay attention to ASB posters or the announcements for that matter, I'm here to remind you that ASB is starting to sell their holiday grams yesterday during lunch and will continue today. The price is $3 for 1 gram. They will deliver the gram on December 13th and 14th. Remember, you can buy as many as you wish for anyone.
Okay, but will they deliver to the gateway to Yosemite?
No, they'll deliver to anyone within the school campus. Why would they go up there?
Yeah, I've been meaning to ask. Why is grad night all the way up there?
Wait, are you talking about Six Flags Discovery Kingdom? The one near San Francisco?
Yeah, I saw one when I went up north.
Yeah, no. I don't think we'll be going to do that one. I think we'll be going to the one in Los Angeles, Six Flags Magic Mountain.
Oh, okay, but I don't know if I'll go. I'm not a huge fan of roller coasters. They're way too fast for me. Just like this year, it's just like a roller coaster that's so fast and it will end soon. I mean, it's like first semester is gonna end in what, like a week and a half?
That is true. But there's one thing that connects first semester with second semester. Do you know what it is? It's winter sports. Our winter sports include boys and girls soccer and boys and girls basketball. Speaking of which, I have a lot of scores to report you on Wednesday. Varsity girls basketball played against Laura. The final score was 35-41, coming out with an unfortunate loss. Going back in time, they also played against El Modena on Tuesday, and we took the win with a score of 36-29. The varsity boys basketball team took on Laguna Hills yesterday and pulled off a win. The score was 47-37. Good job, guys.
As for our soccer teams, girls soccer also had a game on Tuesday and played against Laura, but sadly lost 1-2. Then they went up against Garden Grove yesterday and the final score was 0-1. It's okay, ladies. The key is to get back up. I believe in you. Now, for our boys soccer, they will be playing today on Saddlebacks Field against Saddlebacks starting at 3 p.m. with the varsity game taking place about 5:30. Make sure you wish our boys good luck.
Is that it? There are no other sports to report on? How about baseball? Is baseball a winter sport or?
No, baseball is a spring sport along with softball, boys tennis, boys volleyball. Oh, guys, sorry ladies, but this time I actually mean just guys as in just boys. If any of you are interested in being a part of volleyball's team next year, as in 2020, please meet outside the weight room today after school for a brief meeting.
I hope they sell merch too. I should probably bought some for the whole sports team. A tennis sweater would have been nice during this cold, freezing cold weather. But I guess we'll just have to deal with our ugly sweaters.
But ugly sweaters are cool. Well, I'm not sure about the ones you wear, but the ones that you bake and eat are good. I've tried other people's baked cookies, but I've never baked myself. I think I might give it a try. After all, Miss Park will provide the supplies and ingredients to make ugly sweater cookies tomorrow during her Saturday win session. I'll probably win the competition. But the question is, to win, does the sweater cookie have to be the tastiest, the least edible one, the prettiest, or the ugliest?
I don't know. You know something else that will be taking place tomorrow is a throwback dance party from 4 to 11 p.m.
Here?
No, wait. No, look on the screen. It will be at the Labor Union Hall, 1532 East Chestnut Avenue. Oh, there you go.
Can I be in the DJ battle?
I think it's just for DJ Steve and DJ Cheeto. It's okay though, because you can still have fun today after school.
What's today after school?
Let me think. Oh, Century is having a holiday cheer celebration. Remember, anyway, it's not just Century that is involved in this event. We are the hosts, but other participating schools, including Sierra, Villa, Mendes, and Kennedy, and Home Depot, isn't a school, but they're participating by sponsoring us. The event will be today from 5 to 6:30 p.m.
Perfect. Whoa.
Whoa there. What, are you almost falling out of your chair?
Oh, it's because since the event ends at 6:30 p.m., people will have enough time to go to the Santa Ana Dance Festival, where our dance team will be performing. The show will be held at Santa Ana High School and will begin at 7 p.m. And it's today. Maybe you can still get some tickets from our dance team members, which the pre-sale is $8. But if you miss the deal, you can still buy your ticket at the door for $10. Yep. Wait, before you move on to camera one. Other people that will also have a show, well, not a show, but a concert. I'm just extra like calling it a show. Anyways, there will be performances by choir, orchestra, band, and guitar club. It'll be next Thursday, December 12th at 7 p.m. Not only will you hear the holiday spirit, but you'll also see it with choir's beautiful decorations.
Doesn't choir put up a Christmas tree?
Yes, they do.
Oh, I have an idea. If you want to be extra like Beatrice here, you choir people can get a real Christmas tree instead of a fake one. Look. If you'd like to choose your live Christmas tree and you're wondering where you go, well, there's a live Christmas tree farm sort of close to here. It's called Peltzer Pines, and they have a live Christmas tree farm in Santiago Canyon, which is out past Irvine Park. From near here, you go down McFadden until you get to Newport Avenue in Tustin. Turn left on Newport and go all the way up the hill to Chapman. Turn right and it will surely turn into San Diego Canyon Road. Follow Santiago Canyon Road until you see signs for Black Star Canyon Road. At the point, you'll see the Christmas tree farm on the left. It's at 7851 Black Star Canyon Road in Silverado, California, 92676. Choose and pay for your tree, cut it down, and take home the freshest, best-smelling Christmas tree you've ever going to have. Merry Christmas! Well, that was a mouthful. I sound like Maps.
Yep. And I've come to our final and favorite part of the broadcast. That took a while.
That being said,
Centurions, make sure you...
wait, hold on.
What now?
Don't forget about the new prize for the Centurion card raffle.
You mean the bike and stuff?
Yeah, oh wait, no, not just that. I heard that there will also be 2 general admission tickets given away to the Rolling Loud Music Festival. It'll be on December 14 and 15 on the bank of California Stadium and Exposition Park.
Okay, but why would I even want to go?
Well, seeing the Chance the Rapper, Lil Uzi Vert, Juice WRLD, Young Thug, or Lil Baby not enough? How about Future, ASAP Rocky, Meek Mill, YG, or Playboi Carti? All those performers and many, many more will be doing their thing on either Saturday or Sunday at the festival. And the tickets are good for both days.
I don't know.
Well, then suit yourself. There will be more info on that during next week's broadcast. So that being said,
Centurions, make sure you
Instagram
Instagram us. If you want to be a part of the Instagram segment, use the This Is Century hashtag on your showcase worthy pictures of Century Pride.
so that's all we have for you today.
But remember,
You remember me?
for centuries.
See you next time, Centurions. Bye.
Bye. Catch us on Friday for the bike raffle.
I'm gonna win that bike.
You already have a bike though.
One is better than none.